Hello, here we are back again with another up close detail video series. This time taking a look at the ever beautiful Crockett & Jones Handgrade line. I just made the unboxing video, so do make sure you check that out as well, just to hear my details, my opinions on the model itself and the differences between Handgrade and Benchgrade. And let's just quickly take a look at some of the details here offered on the Crockett & Jones Handgrade collection. So here we have the Courtney model, made in the dark brown antique calf with an oak bark sole. The last is 363, which is a very classic round last. Nothing too round, nothing too pointy. As you can see, very elegant, very easy to wear, very standard dress shoe type shape. Here is a lovely Adelaide model, which is essentially a hole cut all the way around with this kind of faux punching, not faux punching, but just simple broguing, and then just a separated Adelaide piece. This area is called the facing, and an Adelaide is when there's a separate piece cut different to the vamp, which is all around here. Well, this is the vamp, and that vamp goes to the quarter, and eventually you have the counters. But as this is all really one piece, we just call it let's just call it the vamp for simplicity's sake. So you have a beautiful Adelaide here, Adelaide Oxford. Again, with Handgrade shoes, you have beveled waists. You have the inside bevel on the inside arch and the outside bevel on the outside arch. Again, on Handgrade lines, you have what's called closed channel soles, which means when they're stitching on the sole from the welt to the bottom, they basically open the leather up. They make a real fine insertion all the way around. You push the leather up, you open it, you make the stitch, and then you put it back down. Crockett & Jones has done a phenomenal job at doing this so clean. You don't see any kind of real openings, maybe just really here at the toe. But again, the way they finish it is you barely notice that unless you're really looking for it. It's not an easy job. It's very easy to mess up, and this is quite a clean job. I love the color of this sole. It's very nice, dark brown. Well, it looks lighter in the video, but it's kind of a deep dark brown. Crockett & Jones has a very classic shape. You don't have a very narrow waist. You have a tiny hump, but really I just believe that is from the shank and putting the cork back over it, which creates a little bit of a hump there. Anyway, the Courtney model, made in this very beautiful, I believe is French calfskin. It's very soft and supple and luxurious. Another thing that separates the Handgrade from the Benchgrade line is this beautiful lining, which I want to say is the caliber of an upper leather, which is different to most linings, which are a veg tan line. A veg tan leather. But when you get into the real higher upper echelons, you start to see the Handgrade makers like John Lobb and Goodyear Girling are putting this kind of higher grade, almost upper like leather, and it really feels luxurious on the foot. It's very soft. It doesn't stick when you sweat. It's something to try for sure if you ever get to that level, if you can ever afford shoes in the $1,000 and plus region. Again, beautiful pair here by Crockett & Jones. The Courtney model, do check it out when you are ready to upgrade from Benchgrade to Handgrade. I believe the manager said this is one of the top models, or this is his favorite, and there's no surprise why. Lovely shape here on the 363. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I'll keep doing what I can to get these up close videos just so you can check out the details of all the shoes that I speak about. Thanks for tuning in.